Okay, listen to me carefully. I'm going to mute everyone. Listen to me. So we were doing the exercises in the last class, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, did you finish it? Did you find the answer? Okay, no problem. Let's do it together. Okay, did you do it? Some of you are showing me the thumb. Homework ചെയ്തായിരുന്നോ? എല്ലാ ആൻസറും കിട്ടിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? Did you get all answers? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Exercise B, we finished that, right? In the last class? Tell me. Okay, you don't remember. So, B, first question, a dash is a useful machine. A computer is a useful machine. We done that. Okay. The computers are used to print bills in shop. Okay, somebody told that answer, I remember. A computer can be used to watch cartoons. Yeah, you can listen to music on a computer. Okay. C, write true or false. True, sorry, write T for true and F for false. You can only type on a computer. Is it true? You can only type on a computer. Is it true? Hello, can't you hear me?
False.
False. Very good.
False.
Okay. My second question. You cannot search for information on a computer. You cannot search for information on a computer. Is it true?
True.
Are you sure?
False.
Yeah, we can search for information on a computer. So it is false. Second one also false. First one is F false. Second one is also false. Okay. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണോ?
Yes.
Yes, good. Let's see the third question. In schools, computers are used to make bills. In schools, computers are used to make bills. False.
False.
Hmm?
False.
Yeah, false.
False.
Yeah,
False.
your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Very good. Now, fourth question. Listen to my fourth question. You can draw with the help of a computer. You can draw with the help of a computer. Can we?
True.
Yeah, yes, true. So, false, 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 true. Clear. Did you get the same answer? Sorry, did you get the same answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Gayatri. എന്നോട് ലിങ്ക് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലേ മോള്? മിസ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് വീട്ടിലിരുന്നാ എടുത്തത്, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് അത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. എന്റെ എന്തോ ഒരു എറർ മെസ്സേജ് കാണിച്ചു, അതുകൊണ്ടാട്ടോ ലിങ്ക് അയക്കാഞ്ഞത്.
Okay, miss.
ഓക്കെ.
എന്റെ അമ്മ എല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞു തന്നെ.
ഓക്കെ. Okay. Good, good. Now, D, exercise D. Okay, first question. Some letters are missing, no? In the second word, some letters are missing. So, can you guess? A dash is used for typing a document. What is that?
Computer.
Yeah. So, you know the spelling of the computer? Yeah, you know the spelling of the word? വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് മീ മ്യൂട്ട് എവറിവൺ. എല്ലാരും കൂടെ പറയുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ല, മേ ബി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഡിസ്റ്റർബൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഇപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് ഓക്കെ ആണ്, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. മേ ബി നിങ്ങൾ ഫോണിൽ കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര നോയ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. സോ COMPUTER. ഓക്കെ, ഐ നോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആൻസർ അറിയാമെന്ന് അറിയാം. യു ആർ സോ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റ്. Second, computer are used for doing homework at H
Home.
H O. Okay, very good. HOME. HOME, home. A computer is used to prepare medical records at a computer is used to prepare medical records. Yeah, very good. Hospital. H. Yeah. Okay. HOSPITAL. Okay, good. Fourth question. In NAND dash, computers are used to store official files. Yeah. O F F
Office.
Very good. OFFICE, office. Okay. Here we have another question in Ava's activity zone. What is it? This word? Can you guess this word?
School.
Yeah, very good. And B?
Office.
Now,
Office.
third one, C.
Office.
And this one? Top. Okay, good. Now, here we have another activity. Match the different uses of a computer with the correct picture. To prepare medical reports.
Office.
To prepare medical reports. You have to match with the picture.
Hospital.
Yeah.
Hospital.
So, is this a hospital?
School.
Yeah, that is a school. And what about this? Is this a hospital? Okay. You can match this use with this last picture. Okay. To teach and learn. Okay, listen to me. To teach and learn. To teach and learn. Are we using the computer in office to teach and learn?
School.
Okay. The first picture is the picture. The first picture shows the school, no? So match this. Okay, I know. I know that. To write and store files, we use computers in dash to write and store files. Where? Office. Very good. To play games? Home. Aryo help ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Don't help them. They know the answer. Okay. Now we are going to the third chapter. Take third chapter. Parts of a computer.
Of a computer.
Yeah, parts of a computer. First, do you know the different parts of our body? Yeah, you know that. I know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, enough. Thank you. Okay, we have head, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, hands, legs. Okay, we have different parts in our body, right? Okay, each part has its own functions. Okay, eyes help us to see. Very good. We can see everything with our eyes. Okay, and ears?
Here.
Yeah, okay, we can hear. Ears help us to hear. And our hands?
Hands helps us writing.
Okay, we can write with our hands, and we can do many things with our hands. We can comb our hair, we can eat our food, everything. Yeah, we are using our hands for that. And legs? What is the purpose of legs?
Walking.
Ah, it helps us to walk. Yeah, we can walk with the help of our legs. Okay, so different parts have different function. Okay, there are a lot of parts in our body. It has different functions. Okay, in the third chapter, have an activity. Okay, Eva has an activity for you. See, she saying that match the various parts with their functions. What's your activity? Match the various body parts with their functions. Okay, here we got 4 body parts: hands, legs, eyes, ears.
Yeah.
Okay, and some functions are given here in the second column: walking, hearing, writing, seeing. Okay, all of you take your pencil. Okay, so what is the function of hands?
Writing.
Okay. Okay, what's the spelling of the word writing? Okay. Okay. So here it is writing. W-R-I. Okay, listen to me. Now you listen to me. This is our hands and its function is writing. The spelling of writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. I know. You know the answer, no? You don't need my help at all, right? Okay, hands, writing. Then legs. Angel, where are you looking at? Angel Maria. Okay, our legs help us to walk. Very good. So, what is the function of legs?
Walking.
Okay, very good. Match legs with walking. The first word is walking. No. What is the spelling of the word walking?
W-A-L-K-I-N-G.
Very good. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking. There is a king in walking. Okay. Now, eyes. Eyes. What's the function of our eyes?
Eyes are
Seeing. Very good. Very good. Okay. S-E-E-I-N-G. Seeing. Now, last one, ears. Hearing. Ears to hear. Ears The function of ears is hearing. H-E-A-R-I-N-G, and there is a ring in hearing. Okay. So we have different body parts and their functions. നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് body parts ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? Different parts ഉണ്ട്.
Yes.
Okay. അതിന് ഓരോ function ഉണ്ട്. It has some functions to perform, right? It helps us. നമ്മളെ help ചെയ്യുന്നതാണല്ലേ ഓരോരോ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മുടെ body parts. Same way, computer has, oh, someone is drawing in my board. Who's that? Can you clear this? Okay. Now you listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. We are going to learn different parts of our computer. Okay. Like human beings, computer also have different parts. Okay. We're going to learn them. Actually, there are 4 main parts of a computer. Okay. Do you remember the first class? I told you to draw a picture of computer, right? Okay. Then you draw a monitor, CPU cabinet, keyboard, mouse and all. Some of you draw speakers too. Okay. Do you remember that picture? A picture ormaindo ningala first class il varisa. Do you remember that picture? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So if I told you to draw a picture of computer, you will draw a monitor for sure. Le. Ipa miss ningalodu computer varikkan parnja, first you will draw a monitor like this. Okay? Is it true? Okay, this is my monitor.
Yes.
Then you will draw. Oh no.
Keyboard.
Yeah, you will draw a keyboard with a lot of keys in it.
Mouse.
Yeah,
Mouse.
I cannot draw the keys. Okay, let me try. There are many
Mouse.
keys. Okay, my keyboard is not perfect. Don't worry. Just look like a keyboard. Okay, now mouse. We have a mouse, right? And mouse has a, yeah. Oh, one important part is there.
Mouse teacher.
Yeah, tell me.
Monitor.
See, this is my CPU.
CPU.
Yeah. Okay. All these are connected to CPU through a wire. Okay. So the 4 main parts of a computer. First is our monitor. First one, monitor.
Monitor.
CPU.
Mouse.
Mouse, keyboard. Okay, very good.
Computer. Keyboard. Mouse. CPU.
Okay, very good. So the main 4 parts of a computer is monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. Okay, these are the 4 important parts of a computer. These are the main parts. Okay. Computer na ee 4 parts endayalum undavum. Okay. What did you say? Oh, thank you. Did you say super? Oh, I think so.
Very, very good.
Thank you. Okay.
Very, very good.
Thank you, everyone. Now let's see the parts of computer. Okay, listen to me carefully. So, Did you see this? Can you see this picture? This is our monitor.
Yes.
Yeah, it looked like a TV, no? It looked like a, sorry, it looks like a television. Right? It looks like
Yes.
a TV. TV pole indale.
Yes.
Yeah. So, നമ്മൾ game കളിക്കും and we will watch cartoons, videos, everything. അതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ കാണുന്ന എവിടെയാ? Yeah, മോണിറ്ററിലെ സ്ക്രീനിലാണല്ലേ?
Monitor.
Yeah.
Yes.
ആ മൊത്ത സാധനത്തിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ CPU പറയാ അല്ലേ? ആ TV പോലത്തെ
Yes.
മൊത്ത, that is called monitor. അതില് where we can see images, videos and all, that part is known as screen. So, ഈ ഒരു പാട്ടല്ലേ ഈ ബ്ലൂ കളറിൽ കാണുന്നത്?
Yes.
That is a screen. There you can see a lot of icons, everything. Okay, നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഗെയിം കളിക്കുമ്പോഴും വീഡിയോ കാർട്ടൂൺ കാണുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ ഈ പാട്ടിലാണ് ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ആവുന്നത്. We can see that.
Yes.
Yeah. So monitor looks like a television and you can see images, words and videos on its screen. Okay, monitor has a screen where we can see the images and videos. Clear? Yeah. And the second one is our CPU.
CPU.
Okay. CPU, here you have to learn the full form of this CPU. Okay. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Say it with me. Central Processing
Central
Processing
Processing
Unit.
Unit.
Central Processing Unit. That is the full form of CPU. കാണുന്ന പോലെ ചെറിയ ആളൊന്നല്ല, വമ്പനാണ്. So you have to learn the spelling of that, okay? CPU. CPU stands for, C stands for Central. ഈ സിയുടെ full form, ഈ first CPU ന്റെ സിയുടെ full form ആണ് Central. Then we have a P here. ആ P യുടെ full form is Processing. Finally, here is a U. Its full form is Unit. Central Processing Unit. Will you learn the spelling of this word?
Central Processing Unit.
Yeah, very good. You have to learn the spelling of this, okay? Today itself, Central Processing Unit. Clear? You have to learn the spelling of this word. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, good. Okay, actually that big box, no? Here in that picture, I draw a CPU. Where is it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's look like a box, no? It is called the CPU cabinet. This is the CPU cabinet. Our CPU is inside the CPU cabinet. It is inside the CPU cabinet. Okay.
Okay.
That big box is called the CPU cabinet or CPU box. And our CPU, see, can you see this image?
Yes.
Yeah, it is not big as CPU cabinet. It's really small when compared to CPU cabinet. Our CPU located inside the CPU cabinet. Yeah. നമ്മുടെ CPU എവിടെയാ വരുന്നത്? സമജ്ന, look at me. CPU എവിടെയാണ്? ഈ വലിയ
Inside of CPU cabinet.
Very good. It is inside the CPU cabinet. It is inside the CPU cabinet. Okay. And so even it is small, ഇത് ഇത്ര ചെറുതാണെങ്കിലും actually he is really the hero of the computer. Computer hero ആണ്. CPU controls the other parts of a computer. Computer kore parts undalle. We saw monitor, keyboard, mouse, everything. Actually, CPU controls all the parts of computer, all the other parts of computer. Who controls the other parts of computer?
CPU.
Yeah, CPU controls the other parts of a computer. Computer ന്റെ ബാക്കി എല്ലാ പാർട്സിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ആരാണ്?
CPU.
Very good. That's why That's why CPU is known as the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. Okay. Actually,
Okay.
we have different parts, no? Hands, legs, eyes, ears, everything. All these parts are controlled by our brain. നമ്മുടെ ഹെഡിന്റെ സ്കള്ളിന്റെ ഉള്ളൊരു ബ്രെയിൻ ഉണ്ട്. ആ ബ്രെയിൻ ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിലെ എല്ലാ പാർട്സിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ,
Okay.
നമ്മൾ വലിയ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എത്തുമ്പോൾ യു വിൽ ലേൺ അബൌട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഇൻ ബയോളജി ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, every part of our body is controlled by our brain. Same way, all the part of the computer is controlled by our CPU. That's why it's called the brain of a computer. Clear? നമ്മുടെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ എല്ലാ പാർട്സിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന CPU ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ? അതുകൊണ്ട് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ ബ്രെയിൻ ആരാന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ എന്ത് പറയണം?
CPU.
Yeah, very good. It is the brain of a computer. Good, good, very good. And
CPU.
very good. Now keyboard. Okay, എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഡൗട്ട് ഒന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Very good. So the next main part of a computer is our keyboard. The third main part of a computer. It is called keyboard. Okay. Keyboard endira use ചെയ്യുന്നത്? What is the use of keyboard? Do you know?
Typing.
Good. Okay, very good. Actually, what is typing? What is typing? Okay, you told me typing. Very good. Actually, what is typing? Yeah, there are many keys in this keyboard, right? There are alphabets, there are letters, numbers, special keys or symbols, right? There are different keys. Yeah, suppose I want to write my name on the screen. Okay, then what will I do? First I will press on the key S, then R, E, E, K, K, U, T, T, Y. This is my name. Okay, if I want to type my name, I can use the keys in the keyboard. ഇപ്പൊ എന്റെ പേര് എനിക്ക് എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ കീബോർഡിലെ കീസിൽ നിൽക്കും അല്ലേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ആണ്. സോ ഐ വിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് press on the key S, then R. Okay, അപ്പൊ ഓരോന്നിലും പ്രസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലേ? Yes. So keyboard has many keys. Okay, it is used to type on a computer. നമ്മൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് കീബോർഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. It is used to type on a computer. Used to type on a computer. A keyboard is used to type on a computer. Endo?
On computer.
Very good. Okay. Then there are many buttons on this keyboard. Okay, those buttons are called key. There are different buttons on the keyboard and those buttons are called keys. കുറെ buttons ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? ആ buttons നമ്മൾ keys എന്ന് പറയാം. ആ keys ഒരു ബോർഡിൽ വെച്ച പോലെ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് അതിനെ keyboard എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Lot of keys are arranged in a board. That's why it's called keyboard. Okay, so there are letters, numbers and special characters or symbols. Symbol ആയിട്ട് പറയാം. Letters. There are letters, numbers and symbols on a keyboard. Clear? You can see, yeah, there are letters from A to Z. All the 26 alphabets are there in the keyboard. Clear? And digits or numbers 0 to 9. 10 digits or and then numbers are there. Okay, and we have different symbols like at, percentage, അങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് symbols ഉണ്ട്. Okay.
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 This
Then
is mouse.
Yeah, next is mouse. Before that, I told you pressing the keys on the keyboard to write text is called typing. I told you that. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലേക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അത് ഓരോ കീ പ്രസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എന്താ പറയാ അത് എഴുതുന്നതിനാണ് ടൈപ്പിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയാ അല്ലേ?
Yes.
Okay. Next, screen. Okay, screen is the viewing area of the monitor. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാം കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഏരിയ. നിങ്ങളിപ്പോ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മിസ്സിനെ കാണുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? You can see me on your phone. That is the screen. Clear?
Miss കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. Miss കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
Just a minute.
Miss കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
Okay, just a minute. Can you hear me now? Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, you listen to me carefully now. All of you listen to me. And our fourth main part of a computer, that is our, what is the fourth main part?
Monitor.
Mouse. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Keyboard.
Okay. Okay, before that, let me ask you something. Do you know the spelling of the word monitor, mouse, keyboard and all? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, ഇതിന്റെയൊക്കെ spelling അറിയോ? If you don't know, you have to learn it today. Okay. ഒരു 1 week നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിന് അതിനുള്ളില് നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതി പഠിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. You should learn the spelling of those words. നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് വേർഡ് പുതിയത് കണ്ടാലും അതിന്റെ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് പഠിക്കണം. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So today you have to learn the spelling of monitor, central processing unit, then keyboard, then mouse. 4 words are there. Will you do it? Will you do it? Cheyo, padikyo.
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. Now let's talk about mouse. Yeah. See, it look like a mouse, no? What's the meaning of the word mouse? Mouse നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഒരു ആനിമൽ അല്ലേ?
Yes. Yes.
This mouse is also look like a എലിക്കുഞ്ഞ്. Yeah.
Monitor.
Mouse. So, see, I'll show you a mouse. Look at me. Where am I? I can't see me in my screen. Where did I go? Yeah, it's here. I'm here. See, this is a mouse. So it has 2 buttons. One here and here. This is a button and this is another button. Can you see it? Yeah. And in the middle, you can see a scroll wheel. വണ്ടിയുടെയൊക്കെ വീല് പോലെ ഒരു കുഞ്ഞു വീല്, നിങ്ങളുടെ ടോയ് കാറിന്റെയൊക്കെ വീല് പോലത്തെ ഒരു വീൽ. I can rotate it. ഇതിങ്ങനെ കറക്കി കളിക്കാൻ പറ്റും, സ്ക്രോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Can you see it? Did you see that?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Miss.
Yeah. Here is a ഒരു right button ഉണ്ട്, left button ഉണ്ട്. Okay. 2 buttons are there.
Okay.
Yeah, and there